The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme Lincoln County in southeastern South Dakota until 2:34 p.m. At 10:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sioux, Iowa, moving east at 23 miles per hour. Hazard: destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This replaced the tornado warning that was in effect for the same area. Source: radar indicated. Impact: wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The storm will be near Polk around 2 p.m., Lynn around 1 p.m., Woodbury around 1:59 p.m., Minnehaha around 2:12 p.m., Pennington around 2:20 p.m., Lincoln around 11 a.m. Locations in the warning, but are not limited to South Dakota: Johnson, Black Hawk, Scott, Dubuque, Potawatomi. For your protection, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:34 p.m. for the following counties: Lincoln, South Dakota,